जिस तरह माँ के बिना बच्चे अधूरे हैं, उसी तरह गांव वाले लोग भी एक चूल्हे के बिना अधूरे हैं।
A chulha, or a traditional cook stove, is a symbol of rural India. The origins of the chulha are unknown.
ये तो एक पुरखों की रीति रिवाज है जो पता नहीं कितनी पीढ़ियों से चलती आ रही है और कब तक आगे भुगतनी है।
But within the mud walls of an Indian village home, this primitive cook stove is revered as a sacred thing.
पूजा पाठ हमारी सबसे पहले चूल्हे पे ही होता है। खाना बनाना इसमें ही अच्छा लगता है। चूल्हा नाम के लिए चूल्हा है, मगर हमारा सब कुछ चूल्हा ही है।
But what about the smoke that fills up in a room with no ventilation? Biomass fuels such as wood or dung is used in the traditional chulha that lacks a chimney. Studies show that chulhas are a major contributor of indoor air pollution. About 8 in 10 rural homes and 3 in 10 urban homes use open chulhas for cooking. In all the states marked in yellow, more than half of the homes use open chulhas without chimneys. Out of them, these states have more than half the homes using open chulhas inside their homes, exposing women and children to high levels of toxic smoke from solid fuels. And smoke is the least of their concerns.
धुआं से हमें कोई परेशानी नहीं हुई अभी तक। हमको लगता ही नहीं है कि धुआं है। सर्दियों में जाड़े पड़ते तो धुआं से हमें गर्मी मिलती है ना।
The women may cling to their old beliefs, but there is no smoke without fire. Substantial evidence has been generated associating indoor air pollution with health hazards such as respiratory infections, lung cancer, and cataracts. Every year, as many as 34,000 deaths to women due to chronic respiratory diseases may be attributable to solid fuel use in India. It's even worse where children are concerned. There's enough evidence to show that childhood acute respiratory infections and low birth weight may be attributable to indoor air pollution. Every year, as many as 400,000 deaths in children under 5 years may be ascribed to cooking smoke. There's a socio-economic gradient in the use of chulhas. It's society's poor that get trapped in the noxious world of indoor air pollution. Ultimately, while everything around us is changing, the chulha not only lives in the past but stands as a culprit for many lives going up in smoke.